Your brain is being physically reshaped right now, and you cannot feel it happening. Every swipe, every notification, every 15-second video is not just wasting your time. It is changing the structure of your brain. And the scariest part, most people won't notice until the damage is already done. In this video, we're going to look at 7 specific ways social media is physically altering your brain, backed by neuroscience, not opinion. This is not a delete all your apps rant. This is about understanding what is happening inside your skull so you can make an actual decision about what to do. Most people think social media is just a time waster. Neuroscience says it's a brain changer. Your brain has a property called neuroplasticity. It physically rewires itself based on what you repeatedly do. Every habit strengthens certain neural pathways and prunes away others. So when you spend 2 to 4 hours a day consuming rapid-fire, algorithm-curated content, your brain does not stay the same. It adapts. And the adaptations are not good. The average person now holds attention on a single screen for just 47 seconds. In 2004, it was 2.5 minutes. That is a 69% drop in less than 20 years. Your brain is becoming physically less capable of sustained focus. Not because you are lazy, because you are training it on 15-second content bursts. Every time you switch between apps, your brain pays a switching cost, and it adds up to mental exhaustion by noon. This one is hard to hear. Studies show heavy social media users have reduced gray matter volume in the prefrontal cortex. That is the part of your brain responsible for decision-making, impulse control, and planning. It also affects the amygdala, your emotional regulation center. Physically less tissue, physically less control, and you cannot feel the shrinkage. Social media is not just entertaining, it is chemically addictive. Short-form video content triggers a dopamine spike of around 47%, comparable to what nicotine does in the brain. The algorithm is designed to be a variable reward schedule, the same mechanism that makes slot machines addictive. You don't know when the next satisfying post will come, so you keep scrolling. Over time, your brain adapts by reducing its own dopamine receptors. That means normal life, reading a book, having a conversation, doing focused work, starts to feel unbearably boring. This is called digital amnesia, or the Google effect. When your brain knows information is available online, it simply stops storing it. A 2024 meta-analysis confirmed this is a real, measurable cognitive shift. You are not remembering phone numbers, directions, facts, or even conversations, because your brain has learned that the device will do it for you. The physical consequence? Weaker memory consolidation pathways. Your hippocampus, your memory center, is getting less exercise. Social media runs on emotional intensity. Outrage spreads 6 times faster than neutral content. Your brain's amygdala, the threat detection and emotional response center, is being overworked every day by algorithmically amplified anger, fear, and comparison. The result? You become more reactive, more irritable, quicker to anger, and less able to pause before responding. This is not personality. This is neurochemistry being shaped by a platform designed to trigger you. In 2024, Oxford Dictionary named brain rot its official word of the year, describing the mental and intellectual deterioration caused by overconsumption of trivial online content. That same year, a major NIH study confirmed that prolonged digital overuse correlates with measurable cognitive decline, especially in younger users. The term went from internet joke to clinical reality in under 12 months. That should terrify you. A 2025 study from the Institute of Neurosciences found that prolonged short-form video consumption directly decreases performance on analytical tasks. Your brain is not just distracted, it is losing the ability to think in paragraphs. It is being trained to think in captions. Deep reading, complex problem-solving, extended reasoning. These are skills that atrophy when you never use them. And most people are not using them for hours every day. Here is the thing most people get wrong. You cannot feel these changes while they are happening. You don't feel your gray matter shrinking. You don't feel your dopamine receptors downregulating. You just wake up one day and notice you cannot focus. You are more anxious. You feel mentally tired by 10 a.m. Your emotions control you instead of the other way around. The damage is silent. So the question is not, is social media bad? The question is, what is your brain adapting to? Right now, for most people, it is adapting to constant stimulation, emotional volatility, and intellectual shallowness. But neuroplasticity works both ways. The same mechanism that shrinks gray matter can rebuild it. The same dopamine system that gets hijacked can be reset. Your brain is always rewiring. The only question is what you are feeding it. 7 ways. Your attention span is collapsing, your gray matter is physically shrinking, your dopamine system is being chemically hijacked, your memory is being outsourced to a device, your emotional regulation is deteriorating, brain rot is now clinically recognized, and your ability to think deeply is being erased. You do not need to delete every app, but you do need to know what is happening, because you cannot fight something you cannot feel. If this video gave you a new way to think about what social media is actually doing to your brain, subscribe and turn on notifications. We cover neuroscience-backed habits every week that no one else is talking about.